morning. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I am getting ready for church this morning. So I have my little antlers on. I think I'm just going to wear my hair like this and put my little antlers on today for church. I don't know what I'm going to wear. I might wear my big white sweater because it's actually pretty cold out here today. It's in the 30s this morning, like low 30s. It was like 29 something this morning. And it's going to get up to like 43. So it's still really cold. I think I may just put me on a big sweater and wear my little red Christmas pants. I don't know. So anyway, I'll show y'all before I leave. Ray's got to go to church earlier. So Mama and I will ride on there this morning. So yeah, but anyway, I'll take you guys with us. I'm getting ready to get me a cup of coffee, finish getting dressed, and head on out. So I will see you all in a few. Okay, I decided to go ahead and took my puffs out, so my little antlers. So anyway, we are on our way to church. So yeah, we are on our way now. And I will see you guys. Look, I might take the antlers off at church, but for right now, I'm going to wear it. Yeah, that my little girl Stephanee, look at him. He like Santa Claus. We are on our way to church now.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
So anyway, we are headed to church all right, hey. Just finished doing a video, so you guys can probably check it out. You probably see it before this video, this vlog. So, yeah, oh, I look so bright. I guess I do look bright. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go and edit it now so I can try to get it up, honey. I still got these antlers on. Reindeer. So anyway, yeah, just finished, came back home, finished the video. We are back in here. So the day was a great day, great Sunday, and hopefully I get to watch my game because he is watching his stupid Panthers. Oh, you got your little Panther jersey on too. I'm getting ready. I want to turn to the Cowboys and see if they're winning today. This is the Panthers. That's my, huh? All right, go Cowboys. He's watching the Panthers. I might go upstairs and watch it since he's watching it down here. Sometimes that happens where both teams play at the same time and then, oh well. But yeah. See. So, but anyway, let me go ahead and get this video edited so I can get this up to date early. Hey, we got on our pajamas. I'm like the what? What is this, like a Joker?
Yeah, the Joker / Grinch.
I don't know what I am. He had on his little Mickey Mouse pajamas.
Eat one of these cookies.
They my cookies.
Okay.
Let me see. You can have a piece of it.
Thank you.
Because you don't need it. He's diabetic, y'all, so he be always trying to do this. Always trying to eat sweets. I don't need it either. But yeah, we getting ready to watch the game. We're cutting it on there. Well, we watched the game. My team lost. All of the Dallas Cowboy fans or haters probably are really happy right now that we lost. My husband is a Cowboy hater. He just don't brag in my face, you know, he don't say nothing. But in the inside, I know. You laughing, look. In the inside, I know he's happy. Look at him. Look. See? You could have kept that to yourself. See, that's what I'm talking about. Let me put this back. Look like my aperture is off. Okay. So, yeah, that's what's going on now. These lights are making me, they look making me look orange. I'm going to try to make everything look right. Oops, now it look dark. But, what? Because I know he be happy in the inside. I just look at him. Get on my nerve. Anyway, whatever. We lost. But then we getting ready to watch the Commanders, the Washington Commanders. I think I'm not used to saying that, Lord. The Washington Commanders and the Giants. So let's see who's gonna win. See how it looks all orange in here? But anyway, so yeah, we came home from church and just I uploaded a video. So I hope you all are watching it. It's my, I think, top 6 foundations. So yeah. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll probably see y'all sometime tomorrow, Monday, because I need to rest and I'm exhausted. And so yeah, I'll see y'all Monday. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. I am making soup because I didn't make it yesterday. We ate out yesterday, so I didn't make any soup. But I'm making it for the rest of this week because I'm gonna have Christmas Eve dinner with just the family, just us. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And the cleaning people are coming today. I'm so happy because there's nothing like having your house deep clean. You know what I mean? So I'm so happy about that. They're coming up between 2:30 and 3, she said. Let me see. She said 2:30 and 3. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. I'll be going to work in a few moments, but I want to get my soup started so it can cook all day long. I love when I do that because it just makes it so good. I go to work at 9, so it's about 8 something now. So by the time I get off, or a little bit before, my soup has cooked down. I have some other things I'm gonna add to it. I might add a little bit of rice to it to thicken it up a little bit, so I can have like a hearty soup. I love making soups. I make soups at a drop of a dime, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do today with this, and we're gonna have soup and salad for the rest of the week until Christmas Eve on Saturday. So yeah, soup and salad and little stuff like that, because we're gonna eat Christmas Eve. I'm gonna have my turkey breast and my corned beef that we purchased, and just the regular things for Christmas Eve dinner. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm getting ready to carry my butt to work. I just wanted to pop on really quick. It is Monday morning. I'm getting ready to get my coffee and head up here and get ready to head to work. Prepare myself. You know how that goes when you're trying to prepare. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to put this stuff up, and I'll see you guys later. I always mess up my white. That's why I never wear white shirts, because I just drop something on it. I never wear white hardly because I'm always getting it dirty so fast. So, all right, anyway, I will talk with you all later. Just break up the meat using the fork. When it gets really tender, it'll start shredding throughout the soup. And so yeah, I just let it cook until it is super tender and everything blends together. So right now I still have it on the lowest temperature possible. And I'm just gonna put this and have it crack just a little. Okay, as you can see, this soup has cooked down so much and the chicken is really, really tender, you know. So what I think I'm going to do, I am going to add, because I think I need a little bit more water because it cooked down. But before I add in some water, add some of the basmati rice to it, just a little bit, and then add a little bit more of seasoned water. I actually season it, so I'm just going to add a little bit to it, not a lot, just a little bit, and it's going to help thicken it up some. And I'm going to cut the eye off and just let it sit in here and simmer. I'm going to add some of this chicken bouillon flavor, a little bit, just a little bit down at the bottom, as you can see. And I just add it in here and just pour it in. I might keep it on for a little bit till it boils up, and then I'm just going to cut it off and let it simmer. And this is going to have really great flavor. The rice is going to thicken up the soup, and I'll come back and let you see. So right now I'm just going to let it boil, and then once it starts boiling, I'm going to cut it off. So I'm going to keep it on here, let it go ahead and start back simmering. This soup is so good. I am on my break, and I got hungry. This soup is so good. Let me get back to work. I just want to show you guys my soup that we're having for dinner. I'm eating it mine now. It is now 3:20. This is my dinner right here.